Hi, I'm Brian Hart Hoffman. Today, I'm sharing my 5 tips for baking with a fluted tube pan. And I get to use my exclusive product collection that's available only at Williams-Sonoma. We'll be using our milk and cookies cake mix and my chateau pan. We're gonna start by preparing the pan. And it is important to always use a baking spray with flour, as a cooking spray can strip the nonstick coating. Be sure to spray and brush the center tube of the pan. That's a place that people easily forget. With the batter in, we wanna get everything nice and settled into the beautiful details of the pan, but you'll first wanna place a kitchen towel on your counter, firmly tap your pan several times on the countertop to help the batter settle and release any air bubbles that may be trapped. Cooling racks are not just for cooling. Sometimes fluted tube pans sit just a little bit uneven on the oven rack. So to level things out with a nice tight grid, use an all-metal cooling rack in the oven before you place your cake pan in. I like Williams-Sonoma's Gold Touch Pro. Allow enough time for your cake to cool. There are 2 intervals of time that we focus on. The first is the amount of time that your cake should stay in the pan on a wire rack before we turn it out. This is essential to the cake removing cleanly and evenly from the pan. Then remove your pan and allow the cake to completely cool or follow the time specified in the recipe. Bake at your own means giving yourself the freedom to add personal touches each and every time you bake. You can stir in spices, extracts, or anything you're craving. It's all about making it feel like your own.